Hey, I'm Jonathan Hurst. I'm the Chief Robot Officer and co-founder at Agility Robotics. And I want to say congratulations to Ability Enterprise on your 60th anniversary. That's 6 decades of innovation and excellence in optics and sensors. That's not just an achievement, that's a legacy. Also, I want to say thank you for your partnership. Ability's optics and sensor expertise is an excellent match for our needs. You can see sensors throughout our robots. The precision, the reliability, that is critical for robot systems that are actually going to be deployed in the real world. Not just toys, not just demos, but really being deployed. So I look forward to this collaboration and this relationship just to thrive for years to come. Now, I also want to say I'm very excited that we're working together to deploy Digit robots to your factories throughout Asia. This type of collaboration is going to provide the greatest possible learnings for both of us and ensure that we both lead into the future. So I'll say, from Agility Robotics to Ability Enterprises, congratulations on 60 years. We celebrate not only your past achievements, but the exciting future that we are building together.